How to design a Shopify store with AI. So hello there and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create or edit a page with AI on Shopify store. So let's get started. First of all, you have to visit a Shopify account. You have to log into your Shopify dashboard, or you can say admin dashboard, and from there you can see this option called apps right here. Just simply tap onto it, and from there you can tap onto all recommended apps, and from there here you can see this Shopify app store. Just head over to Shopify ad store and then search for gem gem pages, this one. And then here you can see this gem page landing page builder. This is an AI. Just install it up on your Shopify store and then tap install. Now install it for your Shopify page. So as you can see, gem builder has been added to my Shopify store. Now you can check out your pages from here. So from here you can just check them out. You can scroll down, you can check this out, the Shopify original product template and etc. So as you can see, it is loading my design. And also so here you can see this, but before showing you these steps, you just have to tap onto Shopify app store here. Wait, let me show you. Let the page load. You have to turn on Shopify editor. Just tap onto it and turn it on. So there we go, our page is being turned on. So that's it. Now you have to save it up. You so that's there we go. Just save it up and the product has been saved. Now let's head over to it. Now you can create new page if you wish to. You can also create new funnel, and there are some previously made default templates which you can edit onto Shopify if you wish to. For example, let's tap onto this option, Shopify original product page template, and let's wait until it loads completely. So let it load. Then here we can see the editor of Shopify Page 7 AI. This is basically the page builder site of Page 7. Here you can just customize all of your things. For example, you can add all of these types of pages and images if you want to. Let's tap onto this plus icon. Then you can choose templates if you wish to. Just choose a template according to your need. Then you have to tap on to add to page. So this is how you can add your sections to page. Now you have to tap onto it and you have to upload an image to it. So let's upload an image. You can also add these ones, but I'm right now not gonna add these images. So you can also go to Shopify apps for further editing, but right now I'm going to just upload an image from here. Here you can see this image under the background option. Just tap on to upload image, then you have to find out your image and then just simply upload the image that you wish to add. So there we go, the image is now being uploaded. So this is how it looks like at the background. um and you can also upload more images if you wish to. So here you can check this out. This is at the background. Let's go head over to this site. Let's turn some notification. um Now here you can check out this layout. If you want, you can just go and you can check them out. You can check out your navigations and many more. Here you can check out your global styles. You can change your colors to this. You can just tap on to continue editing. um okay, so now let's skip this part. On the AI image to layout, you just can paste your link here. Like, you can just paste an URL and it will start generating your product images. Also, you can just choose image if you wish to, then you have to open it up. And okay, so as you can see, the image is not wide enough, so let me go and find another one. Maybe this one will work. Let me just find an image right now. So let's try this one. Okay, this one is also not enough. So let's check it out. Yeah, I have to find a perfect image right now. So I think this one works. Yeah. So let it analyze our product and then we're gonna save it up. So as you can see, AI has analyzed our product. So you can just simply tap on to generate and it will start generating. And lastly, here you can see this option. You just have to allow access and you can enter password to protect your page. You just have to play around with all these types. You can check out your previews, your mobile previews also. So as you can see, my another image has been added, like product image has been added to my page. So let's scroll down and from here you can add videos if you wish to. You can choose your beta as I just showed you. Let me just find a random image right now. For example, this one, let's add it to page. So as you can see, it has been added to my page. Now let me generate an image. Let me upload an image from here. Okay, let's use AI for it. Let's link, copy the link. Let's see how it works. I don't think that it will work. Yeah. So let's upload an image. You just have to upload a image of a product and then it will start generating. Let's see how it turns out. Okay, this image is not enough. So let's use this one. I think this one will be enough. So yeah, this one is enough. Now let's see how it turns out. We have to wait until it analyze the whole image and then the image will be added to our Shopify page. And you can check out these gem pages perfectly from here. You can see this logo here. You can just download it. And from here you can check out your analytics, Shopify analytics if you wish to, and many more. You can check them out. From the live view, you can also check out the live view if you wish to. You can check out the content from here, files, menus, blog posts, etc. You can check out our products right from here. You can check out your products. So let me just view as. So there we go. So this is how it will look like. You just can tap onto it and you can buy the product from here. So there you can see this. So now let's go back and let the image load. So as it is taking a lot of time, so let's skip this part and you can save it up if you want to. Also, you can just tap onto the publish option and then you can simply publish it to your Shopify store. So that was it, and if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, and let's view the live page and let me know in the comment section that what type of videos you want to see in future. So this is what it will look like. So here you can check out these things here. So this is what the interface looks like. You can upload more images if you wish to. Till then, take care, bye bye, see you on another video.